Well, we have light, guys. Got all the lights run. New light fixtures. All of them are actually new. There's 2 4-footers on each rafter there. These ones here, I haven't converted over to LED. I hate wasting bulbs, and then bulbs are still working. But these are all LED back here. And you can see they are super bright, way brighter than the fluorescent. So it's gonna get a little brighter in here yet once we get them all converted to LED. But really happy with the light output we got in here now, guys. We went from 0 lights to really nice LED lights. So working in here gonna be pretty nice. You're gonna be able to see your marks when you need to cut something. Oh yeah, I got my deal made up. The cover back on the shear. This is a Niagara shear, guys. Niagara. I believe that's how you say it. So, took off the guard. There was a guard right here. And that was done at the machine shop that it was at, because I'm guessing because they had to be up to OSHA standards. We don't have anybody working for us, so we ain't got to worry about that. We're not going to stick our fingers in there. But I did get the cover completed. You can see I put a piano hinge right here. I've got wing nuts. There's 3 wing nuts that hold the cover shut. And then when you pull them off, you can open it up. Gives us real good access to everything. Back here, I just added another set of 1/4-inch bolts with just a nice flat cover, just to cover everything. Get everything nice and covered. Gotta hit that with some paint. Also did some welding to reinforce it. So pretty happy with how that turned out. Got the light hooked up on this thing. This is a fluorescent light again. And I don't know, it's an 8-footer. So I don't know if I'm gonna just grab one 8-foot LED and convert this, or maybe do the 2 4-footers in there. You can see I run some flexible conduit up there. Also I run conduit for plug-ins to plug those 4-footers in, and then it's all on a switch at next to the door. So took care of some wiring that I didn't like, kind of cleaned up. Actually, I cleaned up all the lighting wiring, but there's still some wiring that I'm not real happy with. But I don't know how soon we're going to take care of that, because it's getting that time of year now where it's going to start getting cold, and this shop is not insulated, so we probably won't be working in here a whole lot just to do the bends. But Hyper Icons, where I got the lights, that's what I did in the new shop. Real happy with them. No issues with them so far. So I went back to them. Not cheap for 24 tubes, I think. 5,000 K. clear, real nice light output. Also got some light in the back here where we got some storage, and probably where the forklift is gonna spend the winter back here. So again, a place that's never had lights back there. Got some LEDs. I got one more to hook up. That's where I put them old ones. Put them really old lights back there. So didn't waste anything, guys. So we're getting this shop into shape. Got a table here. It was just sitting outside, so I put it to good use in here. You put the pallet jack under this thing and move it around. Probably should have wheels or something to be easier, but it works for now. There's a big parts washer that I want to make right there. I've always wanted to make a nice big parts washer and customize it, but just haven't gotten to that. This shop was, I believe, built in the 70s. My dad, or my grandpa, I think probably had it built. Before that, they were working, I believe, in their garage out of the house for the mossing, and then they built this thing. Like I said, I believe in the 70s at some point. It was just pretty much storage after we got the new shed built. Dad kind of cleaned it out here when we got these machines. This shop if my YouTube would have worked out really good, I was thinking of fixing this shop up and kind of moving in here. But that hasn't really worked out, so it was really just storage. But I guess now it's a work area, and we got some storage in the back, so should be fun once we get everything going here and start working these machines, building something. Should be kind of neat. The possibilities are kind of endless with these machines, what they can do. I mean, once you have the capability to bend 1/4 inch and shear 3/16, 8 foot, it really opens up a lot of fabrication that you can do. But anyway, guys, I don't want to get this video too long, just kind of a babbling video. See you guys in the next one.
Still proud of what you got, 'cause when the day is done, redneck is from the sun, going up